Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Rubal Solutions. We are sharing the exercise with answers of UGC NET Tutor Computer Science. In this video, we are just telling you the question and answer. Explanation will be done later, or if you wish to know explanation about particular questions, ask me in the comment box. In this series, we will show you the question and answers. Please ask for the explanation for particular questions, or we will make the explanation series later. This is the continuation of previous video. Question number 20. Two unbiased coins are tossed. What is the probability of getting almost one head? This comes out to be 3/4. 21. The transitive closure of relation R on set A, whose relation matrix 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 is C 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. 22. A binary relation S is equal to phi empty set on set A is equal to 1 2 3 is transitive and symmetric. Both transitive and symmetric. Let P as denotes the power of set of S. Which of the following is always true? The C part is always true. That is PT subset P PS is equal to phi. The number of binary relations on a set with n elements is 2 to the power n square. 2 to the power n square. Now we comes for 25th. If A is a finite set within n elements, then number of elements in the largest equivalence relation of A is n square. If A and B be two sets and A1 and B2 denotes complements of set A and B, then A is a union of B. The number of equivalence relation of set 1, 2, 3, 4 is 15. If R is symmetric and transitive relation on set A, then none of the above is correct. 29th. The number of elements in the power of set PS of set S is phi, 1, set 2, 3 is 8. The number of elements are 8. If A be a finite set of size n, then number of elements in the power set of A by A is 2 to the power n square. Which of the following sets are null sets? Last, C and D are null sets. Which of the following set is empty? Number B is empty. If R is equivalence relation on set A, then R inverse is reflective, symmetric and transitive. The number of distinct relation on the set of 3 elements is 5, 1, 2. If relation R over ABC is given by R, AA, BB, AB, BA, CC, then which of the following properties does R have? R have symmetry, reflexibility and transitivity. All of these. So answer is all of these. 36th. A minus B union C is A minus B bracket intersection A minus C. C is the option. 37. A union B is equal to A intersection B if and only if A and B are empty sets. If set A and B have 3 and 6 elements each, then minimum number of elements in A union B is 6. Order of power set of order n is 2n. Assume R and S are non-empty relations in a set A. Which of the following is false? False कौन सा है? D false है, बाकी तीनों true हैं. Two events A and B have probabilities 0.25 and 0.5 respectively. The probability that both A and B occur simultaneously is 0.14. Then the probability that neither A nor B occur is 0.39. The probability that it will rain today is 0.5. The probability that it will rain tomorrow is 0.6. The probability that it will rain today or tomorrow is 0.7. What is the probability that rain today and tomorrow? After calculating, it comes out to be 0.4. Thank you. I hope these exercise series will help you. Feel free to contact for explanation. Thank you so much for all the support and all the learning you are doing. I am also learning day by day with the help of these videos. Thank you to you all for giving me the support and courage to make all these videos. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Rubal Solutions. Love. Have a nice day.